All right, Montgomery County, it is lunchtime once again. I'm hungry, wife is hungry, the boy is hungry, but he's gonna deviate and order something a little bit different today. So the wife and I are going to be ordering Indian food once again because, well, Indian food is simply amazing. And today we are going to be ordering from Curry Leaf Indian Cuisine, which is in Harleysville. Now, the wife and I ate there a few months ago for the very first time and we're completely amazed. And since we don't have the ability to dine in, we are going to call and get some takeout. So let's do that. Hi, I'd like to place an order for pickup.
Sure.
Can I have garlic naan? Can I have the shrimp tikka masala?
Shrimp tikka masala, sure.
And can I also have the shrimp saag?
Shrimp saag, okay.
Yes, and that'll do it.
All right, and what's your name, sir?
My name's Chris. Now, how do I go about paying? Do I pay when I get there? Do I pay over the phone? How does that work?
Either way is fine. We can take the payment over the phone as well, or you can come here and pay.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, if we can do it over the phone, that would be great.
Okay, sure, that's fine. All right, so we'll see you in about 20 to 25 minutes.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, bye-bye. That simple. So 20 to 25 minutes because perfection can't be cooked up just like that. It's also good to know that a little bit of love goes into every order. So I'm excited. All right, let's go pick it up and see what it looks like. How'd you stop?
I just heard beep. And I was like,
Good, keep on singing. Coming in hot. Skirt, skirt. All right, let's run in here and grab this food. All right, let's go do this. Boom! Boom! Got the food. Oh, that smells so good. All right. We are back and ready to eat. So let's see what we got here. So that is shrimp tikka masala, shrimp saag. That looks really, really good. Naan bread.
Yes.
Garlic naan bread. What do we got here? No, this is probably just rice.
I would say it's probably rice. Yeah.
Yep. So white rice. And then this one, probably more white rice.
Because I think we should try.
More white rice. We are going to enjoy our lunch as usual. Yeah, all right, till next time, go Mongo.